Hi there, this is Fixed It. I was really happy when I realised that Painter Essentials 5 came with Toast Titanium. The installation goes ahead without any problems, but when you try to run it, this is what happens. You get an alert, Painter Essentials 5 quit unexpectedly. And then you get the option of ignore, report or reopen. I've tried ignoring and reopening and it comes back to the same alert message. One of the suggestions I found online said to start Painter Essentials 5 whilst holding down the shift key. If you do, you get the following banner. Do you want to restore Painter Essentials to its factory default settings? Restoring Painter Essentials erases all of your customizations, including brushes, papers and textures. Choose whether you want to restore the current workspace or all of the workspaces or cancel. I've tried the current workspaces, restarted again, tried all workspaces and nothing works. So I think I found myself a task. Let's figure out how to get Painter Essentials 5 to work.